Okay, part 4 of my VW T4 Transporter camper van build. So far, seats done, sorted in, vinyl floor, rear bumper sprayed, that's sprayed and back on, carpet lined, total carpet lining. The insulation was good, somebody had done a good job of that in the past. So in this video I'll be putting on this angle edge here, steel, over that, save that trip hazard. Just that piece actually just slightly short, so I'll weld a piece to complete the full edge. I've got the fabricated piece around here that I'll be fitting this step, sprayed. That needs a bit of satin black on it. Yeah, brakes have been done. This now got a full MOT, which is good, and I'm just onto the wheel refurb at the moment. Completely stripped using a DA with a soft pad and 80 grit to get the main sort of facing back, and then on the intersections using a mix of these metal flat wheels on a drill. Put it one way, put it the next. I sort of dig in and get rid of all of the rest of the rust, and then there's the old rust converter. Then I'll spray 3-4 coats of undercoat, leave that for a day, sand it. I managed to get a Honda colour, billet silver metallic base coat. That'll give a good, it's quite a dark silver. That'll go well on that, well, on the undercoat. And then a clear lacquer, so hopefully that'll come out better than what's on the van at the moment. Just wanted to keep the original T4 wheels. I just think they look good. So I'll go from that, hopefully, to the next shot will be them painted. Okay, that's the undercoats on and sanded. Managed to get those to the point where I'm happy, nice and smooth. I've put crash wrap over the top and just cut out, so I may get a little bit of overspray. It's not too bad, I can get that off with 2K thinners. So yeah, ready for the base coat, which is billet silver Honda colour, and then I'll clear coat lacquer 2 coats over the top, and that's it. They'll be good to go back on today. It just shows actually on the, this is the spare. I've painted that with the rust cure, and it's absolutely, totally, completely got rid of it all. It's amazing stuff. So what I'll do with that now is I'll probably, well, I will black stone chip it and then keep that one as the spare. And that's with 2 coats of clear coat. Looking good. Well, happy with those. I'll leave those 24 hours. Get the crash wrap off I've put on, any overspray I can get off, although I'll be changing the tyres anyway. So I think that's going to be a lot better than the rusty old wheels. The plan is to get a set of maybe 16-inch Rogue alloys with lower profile tyres, but again, that's putting at least another £1,200 into a van that doesn't owe me much more than that at the moment, to be honest. I'll do a full, when the wheels are on and the are just about to start with the, or when I'm just about to start with the build of the van, I'll separate it out into what it owes me now and built. I've managed to get off the sticky inner film that was here. Needs a good clean. I've actually got to clean all my cloths, but weirdly it had film over what is already a tinted window, so that's perfect for me now, to be honest. That what I'll do with that is I'll put curtains on the inside for when it's a camper, and curtains at the front behind the seats. So yeah, looking good. I think it will do when these are on. And I've painted the satin black in bumper paint, all of the centre caps. Okay, I've decided to get the mucky bits out of the way first. So it's being prepped at the moment, DAing the existing paint down, sorting out a few bits, just getting the door handles off at the moment, taking the door rubbers off, wing mirrors, etc. Just about to take the wheels off, get it on axle stands, bumpers off. A few little bits gone through, need treating. All good though. Yeah, just the point of getting everything off it at the moment to give a good finish. There's only one real dent that needs doing here, and underneath somebody put a trolley jack in the wrong place. Let's pull this sill down a bit, and where there was a bonnet bra on the front, it's left it a lovely magnolia, but it's going through. So bumpers off, grill off. I'll get this lower section off here, and the roof to DA. I'll mask the windows up, side windows. Well, I'll keep going. Now in undercoat with the guide coat on. Looking good. Just about to flat that down and then start taking the doors and bonnet tailgate off. Okay, bit of a jump, but time constraints. We're in colour. It's a Ford, I think it's an RS colour, stealth grey. See, wheels done, all good. A few little bits and pieces to do. A little bit of overspray on a few little bits and pieces, but there's a bit of a tight on time to get the van ready for meeting up with a friend to do a bit of filming, so I had to get the vehicle ready last night quickly, which meant the videos kind of jumped from undercoat to this. A friend of mine and myself did this, and it looks absolutely perfect. It's painted in 2K stealth grey, obviously over an undercoat, and then I think he used Trizac pads, 1000, 2000, 3000, 6000, G3, and then Maguire's wax. So yeah, cracking finish. Blanket there. When we went out it was dusty. My partner was getting nice clothes covered in dust, so I had to put the blanket there. And the interior is still yeah, still dusty from the painting. So just to finish off now on the back here, a few little bits need to be in colour. Put the roof back on. There'll be a roof vent here. It's got the side window there, so it'll be double, actually the usual large unit there, one coming across here, sink on the top, fridge, diesel heater under the driver's seat, actually no, under the passenger seat, no, T4 under the driver's seat or in the units. Plan is to put a water under the rock and roll bed and then run an external. Yeah, all of these still need doing. External gas shower on here, drive-away awning, shower head on the roof there, and just have an outdoor shower, sort of portable sort of gas heater shower setup. So yeah, that'll be the next video, but that's the end of this one. It's painted. So not bad. It's only taken a week and a half from basically getting it back on the road, getting an MOT, getting the wheels done, getting it painted, bumpers. So, job done. Till the next time.